Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear brother and sisters, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn on this channel German with English. Yes, German with English. You already know that most of them, a few of them, you know that we have already one more channel. Okay, the name of this channel is German with Comma. But in this on this channel, we are teaching with Urdu language actually. Okay, so Urdu or Hindi, you can say that we have this channel. I can write the name here for Urdu speakers can learn with us German. Okay, with comma. This is our another channel. You can learn from A1 to B1. We are regularly on daily basis uploading lessons on this YouTube channel. Okay, so our Urdu speaker viewers already learning on this channel very easy and very fast on this channel. So now in this channel we are going to start to learn German language with English language, because we also want that those people who want to learn German language, so this will be the easiest and best platform for you to learn German language with us, my dear brothers and sisters. There are many channels, there are many platforms who are offering or teaching German language, but our method of teaching is very easy and very simple, and you can easily learn your German language with us. So welcome you once again, all of you. And so we are going to start to learn German. We had already in this channel many lessons we have uploaded, but with Urdu language. But as I said, this will be the very first lesson. Okay, and you will continuously, as I said, that learn with us with easiest method on this channel, my dear friends. Okay, so first of all, I would like to say that, look, there are 4 German rules, that grammatic rules we have to learn that. That is nominative, you know that. Nominative, then accusative, okay, accusative, and then dative, and then give this, then we have genitive actually. Okay, so actually there are 4 grammar rules we have to learn. Okay, either you are the student of A1, A2 or B1. Okay, so you have to learn these four rules. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4: nominative, accusative, dative and genitive. Okay, these are very important rules. There are many teachers, you know, that they start from A, B, C. Okay, this could be is our best way, could be, but my method of teaching is as compared other teachers is totally different. Okay, I always start with the grammar. Okay, so I would ask you to learn to start to learn with your German grammar, with a German grammar, because you can learn everything with German grammar. You can learn sentence making, preposition, everything will be completely covered with all these 4 rules. If you want to learn from A1, A2, B1, C1, C2, so this is the main grammar of German language. These 4 rules are, as I said, nominative, accusative, dative and genitive, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, so let's start with the nominative. Okay, actually what nominative, accusative, dative and genitive are. What are these actually? Actually, first of all, I would like to first of all introduce that about these 4 cases. Look, look here. Here they are: die, das und. Actually, yes, these are 3 articles. These are actually 3 articles, there, the, das. Okay, which we have to learn and understand how they are. Actually, these three articles, there, the and thus, actually are written in different ways. Okay, the articles start surely from nominative. Yeah, you know, this is the first step of German language. First part of grammar. Grammar starts from here, from nominative. Okay, and as I said, there are only articles here. They're the thus. Okay, so we have to learn that how articles are written in accusative, dative, and genitive. Okay, these articles we have to learn how they are written in accusative, dative, and genitive. As I said, these are we start articles from nominative. You know that. Okay. Okay, then let's start with the nominative now. So first of all, step by step, we'll start here from the nominative case. Okay, look. Actually, these are, as I said, three articles you have maybe many times heard and listen about these articles. Okay, but as I said that today I will teach you with easiest and best method to learn these articles, because there are many students think that the German grammar is very difficult to learn, to start, to teach, to learn, my dear friends. Okay, but as I said, on this platform, on this channel, it will be really very easy for you to learn. Okay, look, basically these are three articles, you know, there, the, and thus. Okay, these are written with the nouns. Okay, these articles are written with the nouns. Okay, Beispiel. So we have actually categorized the nouns in three types. Okay, three parts or three types, you can say that. Okay, but few articles are written with their, few are written with the, and few are written with thus article. Okay, those articles which are written with their article, these are called masculine. Okay, or male category, you can say that. Okay, okay, so we call it, and mostly they are written with the M. Okay, and they are called masculine. Okay, masculine. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please write in the comment. We will try to reply you, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, so there is an article that is written. Okay, this is the category by all masculine. Yeah, male nouns are written with their article. Beispiel in English we say their man. Man is a masculine, and we write the article their man. Okay, good. And their tish. What is the meaning of tish? Tish meaning table. Table, and this is also a masculine, but we don't know this is a masculine, but it will be written in the category of their article. So their tish is always. So these articles are fixed article. We don't have any choice to write there, the, or thus. So we have to memorize these articles. Okay, we have to learn the nouns with articles. Okay, their Tisch and Beispiel, their Stuhl. Stuhl, you know that. Stuhl, you know, Stuhl is your chair. Chair is also your and then Beispiel Apfel. Apfel means apple, the apple. So their article. So it's mean there are articles are written actually with these nouns. Okay, and I would like to write. I have few articles, a few nouns here. Der Hund. Okay, der Hund. Okay, they are all masculine. Der Hund. Okay, und Beispiel der Tisch. I have already written here. Der Baum. Baum means your tree. Tree. Okay, Baum. B-A-U-M. Baum. Baum means tree. Okay, and yes. And was could be for their Freund. So these are, you can see here, few articles I have written here with those who belong to masculine, who belong to with their article has been written here. You can see that. Okay. Now, the second category you can say that is the written with the article nouns. Which nouns are written with the articles? We call them feminine, and these are written with F. Okay, feminine. Okay, here I write feminine. Okay, feminine mean the female categories, you can say that. Okay, for example, the woman. Okay, all those nouns which we know that these are female, okay, are feminine. So you will write here Beispiel die Frau. Die Frau ist woman. Okay, die Frau ist woman. Okay, and the next is the Uhr. Uhr, you know that? What is the meaning of the Uhr? The Uhr means you can say that your watch, clock, watch. You can say that, yeah, genau. And few more Beispiel. Die Blume. You know the Blume? Blume is your flower. Blume, yeah, Blume, flower. Okay, and the next could be the Stadt. You know that, the Stadt. Stadt means city. You know that, and which could be a more with the Frau already. The tour, the door. Door is I've seen, you can see here the tour. Okay, and it gives the article, the tour, feminine. So these are nouns. There are many more which we have to learn. Okay, those who have article, the article, feminine article, you know that. Okay. Okay, now I would like to write a few articles, a few nouns with article thus. Okay, so Beispiel, many of them you already know that. Okay, so for example, das Kind. Kind is a noun which has a das article. Das Kind. Okay, und das Auto. Das Auto gibt es. Ja, Auto. Okay, und das Handy Beispiel, Handy. Okay, you are learning, you watch videos, you learn German language on your handy, and handy gives always das article. Okay, das Handy. Verstehst du? Das Handy. Okay, and das Auto I have already written here. The few more nouns. Das Glas. We use to drink something, you know. Das Glas. Okay, das Glas is your okay, and das Hemd. This is t-shirt, but the Hemd is also called a shirt, but a dress shirt, one can say that. Genau, dress shirt. So das is your Hemd. It gives also das article, das Hemd. Okay. And the room is where the room is your room. Okay, where man can sleep, man can sit. Okay, you're as a part of your house. Room, Zimmer, das Zimmer. Okay, Zimmer is the article of das Zimmer. Ja, genau. Und there could be das Wasser or das Kind. I have already written here. So das Brot, yes, das Brot. Okay, das Brot. So my dear brother and sisters, you can see that. You really can see that I have written here. I have written here few nouns with three different articles, with their, with the or the das, or the nouns which are written with das. These are called neutral, and they are written with n. Okay, masculine are written with masculine are written with m. These are called masculine. Male categories, you can say that the nouns which are written with the articles, these are called feminine, and those articles which are written with thus article, these are called neutral or neutral, you can say that, and they have thus article. Okay, so there are, as I said, you have to learn number of nouns with articles. This is a very, very important, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, I have to think, but we will continue this. The next lesson, the videos already have gone, this length is already too much. So that is why we have to stop here today. So first of all, in this lesson, okay, in the beginning, I have introduced about myself, about this channel, and I told that where we have to start to learn German language. Okay, you should start with us with grammar, okay. And if you learn the grammar, then everything will be easy for you, my dear brothers and sisters. So let's start. We have with the grammar, what are articles, how they are written, and everything has been explained. But as I said, it is a yet start of nominative, okay, and it will be continued. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and before going for upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe, my dear brothers and sisters, and was noch. So just you have to remember in this lesson, oh bhaiya, oh my brother, there are basically three articles, three different articles, okay, which are written with nouns, okay. So Beispiel, as there it is masculine, feminine, and das. Okay, these are three articles these are already fixed here. It is not our choice. It is not our Beispiel with our will. You can say that can write any article. Beispiel, if you write der Uhr, it is wrong. You have to write die Uhr. If you write die Tisch, it's wrong. Der Tisch. So these articles are already fixed. You have to learn by heart. Okay, the main thing, the basic thing is that when you learn any noun, Beispiel, any noun, okay, so try to learn with articles. Beispiel, Stuhl, you must know der Stuhl, der Stuhl, okay, der Apfel, der Hund, der Baum, der Freund. You have to remember, you have to learn, okay. And the next part will be the singular and plural, which we will learn in our upcoming next lesson, inshallah. So I hope you will learn with easiest method, as I said in this beginning in this channel. And before going, don't forget to subscribe, and see you very soon with the new lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.